Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to activate Windows 11, so let's start. So first we have to say these steps. So you have to sign as administrator to add your Microsoft account to confirm you're using an administrator account. So you have to select the start button, then select settings, accounts, and your info. Under your name you will see administrator. If you are not administrator, you have to manage your accounts to create an administrator account. So you can go to settings. So then you have to confirm that the administrator account is also your Microsoft account by checking to see if an email address is displayed above the administrator. If an email address is displayed, this is a Microsoft account. If not, you are not logged into a local account. If you don't yet have a Microsoft account, see to create a new Microsoft account. Once you confirm that you are an administrator and using your Microsoft account, go back and activate your page, select add an account, enter your Microsoft account and password, and then select sign in. After your Microsoft account has been added, your activation page will be seen on Windows Activate these digital licenses linked to your Microsoft account. So that is how you can activate it. I hope this works for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.